Why is this so important? Why is this my favorite product? A couple reasons, but I think the big reason by far is it's so much fun to use. Not joking around. I know cleaning can be a chore, it can be a problem, it can be not fun, it can be looked at as work. But the fun thing about this product is that it basically makes you the superhero of your household. The reason it's fun is because the effort level is so low. But the way it works is it works with enzymes, which is very similar to the enzymes in your body and how they break down food. These break down oil, grease, fat, anything with oils in it, anything with fruit sugars in it, so on and so forth. Frankly, it's just 99% plus of stains are gone. The great thing about this product is that you can treat stains that happened 3 seconds ago, 3 minutes ago, 3 years ago. No matter what the stain is baked in, that's where this comes in. So think of it like if stains are locked into your fibers, the enzymes are going to be the key. Puracy Natural Stain Remover, it is a wonderful product. If this is the first time that you're being exposed to this brand, trust me, start here. This is going to replace every stain remover that you have in your household right now.